Okay, hello. Today we are going to open this helicopter that I bought on Wish for €7. I will show you the price. And so this is the helicopter. So it's the blue one, and it's a 2.5 channel helicopter, and it's USB charging, remote control, and it's yeah, so this is it. This is the helicopter, and yeah, nothing special on that box. So the package is a bit destroyed, but yeah, and it's yeah. Okay, so we're gonna open it. We need some scissors. So there was some tape right there. And there we go. So there is the helicopter. So this is the remote control. Let's put that down there. That's only what we've got in the box. So yeah, so there's the remote control that is oh my god, very cheaply made. Very cheap, and this is quite weird because it doesn't have a center position, so that's quite weird. And this too, so it doesn't have a screw there. I don't understand, but let's check out the helicopter. Oh, there's some tape. So this is the helicopter. It's not that cheaply made, but it's okay. It looks quite good. It's quite small, but yeah, it looks okay. So then we've got the USB charger, tiny one. And yeah, let's see what batteries does it need. Need 3 AA. So I'm gonna have this, and yeah. So I just saw that this was broken. It's quite weird. Look, it's broken, but and there is no LED, I suppose. Like there was no screw. It's so yeah, I've got the batteries. I'm gonna put them in the right way. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, and there we go. Let's put the lid back on. Okay. Let's check out if it works. It works. Okay, so that's good. Okay, good. So actually the LED is there. The weird thing is that there is no center position. It's like, yeah, left, right, but no middle standard. So same for the trussel one. And so we're gonna charge it with this, and we charge it there. And so yeah, I'm gonna charge it, and we're gonna fly it. conclusion of this helicopter. So, well, it's cheap, but mine didn't work that good. Well, it goes up, down, but this doesn't work. Left, right doesn't work. And so, I think it's not good to buy this. I don't recommend to buy this, but it's quite fun for €7. It's quite okay, I would say. Yeah. So yeah.